Iron exhibits BCC structure at room temperature above 900 degrees Celsius. It transforms to FCC structure. At room temperature, as you can see, it was in BCC structure, and above 900 degrees Celsius, it exhibits FCC structure. The ratio of density of iron at room temperature to that at 900 degrees Celsius. Assuming that molar mass and atomic radii of iron remains constant with temperature is first root 3 by root 2, second 1 by 2, third root 3 upon 4 root 2, fourth 4 root 3 upon 3 root 2. In order to answer this question, we will first list the number of atoms present in one unit cell. For BCCI it is 2 and for FCC it is 4, and we have A, which represents the side of the unit cell. It can be given by the formula which I mentioned here. The formula of density is this: D is equal to Zm A cube upon divided by A cube into Avogadro's number. Here Z is the number of atoms present in one unit cell. Capital M represents molar mass. Yes. Capital M represents mass of the atom. So after putting values of both the temperature, we will find out the ratio of the BCC to FCC lattice, that is 3 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. So our answer would be part 3.